If handbrake is showing error free, don't worry, this is usually a path problem, and in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to fix it step by step. Error free in handbrake corresponds to a Windows system error called error_path. Not found, which simply means handbrake cannot find the folder, drive, or destination path you selected for your output file. In other words, the app is trying to save your video somewhere that either doesn't exist anymore, has been disconnected, or is using a path that handbrake can't properly access. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes and tutorials. Let's get into it. The first thing to check is the destination folder at the bottom of the handbrake window. This is the most common cause of error free. Look for the browse button next to the output path and click it. Instead of using the old location, select a simple and safe destination like your desktop. Then give the file a basic name such as test.mp4. Keep the file name simple for now so we can rule out naming issues. After that, try starting the encode again. In many cases, that alone will solve the problem because handbrake just needed a valid folder path. If you're still getting the error, the next thing to check is whether you were saving to a disconnected drive. This happens a lot if you previously exported to a USB stick, external hard drive, or a network location. If that drive is unplugged, powered off, or disconnected, handbrake may still be pointing to it. Even if the drive is plugged in, the drive letter may have changed from something like D: to E:, and that can break the path. If you use an external drive, make sure it is connected properly and that Windows still recognizes the same drive letter. If it's disconnected or changed, click Browse again and reset the output path to a local folder on your computer, such as something on your C drive. Now let's check for another common issue: invalid characters in the folder name or file name. Handbrake can sometimes fail if your output path includes special characters like hash, %, ampersand, asterisk, or a colon. These characters can cause Windows path errors or make the destination unreadable. To fix this, rename the folder or file using simple letters, numbers, spaces, hyphens, or underscores only. For example, instead of a complicated file name, use something like final_video.mp4. Keep it clean and easy, and then try the encode again. If handbrake keeps defaulting back to a broken path every time you open it, you need to change the default output folder in the settings. On Windows, go to Tools, then Preferences. On Mac, go to Handbrake, then Settings. Look for Output Files. From there, click Browse and set a permanent default path to a stable folder that always exists, like C:\users\yourname\videos. This is a great long-term fix because handbrake will stop trying to use an old or missing location. Once you set a reliable default path, save the settings and try another export. At this point, your goal is to make sure handbrake is saving to a folder that exists, a drive that is connected, and a file name that does not contain strange characters. Those 3 checks solve most error-free issues immediately. If you want to be extra safe, always use a local folder first, especially when testing a new encode. That way you can confirm handbrake is working before you move back to an external drive or custom directory. So to recap quickly, error-free means the output path cannot be found. Click Browse and choose Desktop or another local folder. Check that any external drive is still connected and on the correct drive letter. Remove special characters from the file name or folder names, and if needed, set a permanent default output path in handbrake's preferences. Follow those steps and you should be able to get rid of the error and start encoding normally again. If this video helped you fix handbrake error-free, please hit the like button, subscribe for more troubleshooting guides, and leave a comment if you want help with another handbrake issue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.